bird got a pigeon. What bird is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't know I have. Oh god, that is brutal, and as beautifully as you are, bird of prey, but wouldn't you be able to take it and not kill him in the front of my window? Oh, I don't like to see anything dead. As his no head is been eaten. Oh God. I'm so sorry, wee pigeon. If I would have seen him, if I would have seen him earlier, but you're already dead. Took your head on first thing. God Almighty. I don't know, it was a buzzard, what, I don't know the name of this bird. Why is this gruesome? I might as well eat it, because otherwise the rats will come. Oh, that is horrible. Well, you're a gorgeous bird of prey, but boy. Ah, ew. Why do you have to turn it so I can see you eating his head? Thank you. The pigeon is as big as you almost. Ah, God. I can't watch this. But amazing nature. It's all part of nature. I didn't even realize I have birds of prey around my garden. Wow. No, my garden, communal garden. Shocking.